Just Mackenzie Lake this morning, looking behind you at satellite and radar, you can see something developing. Looks like it's slowly moving its way in. Definitely seeing weather impacts already, though. This morning we saw rain last night, and that's affecting our roadways as people head out today.
Yes, absolutely. We're seeing those very icy roads right now, definitely very dangerous driving conditions. But yes, the storm is already developed fully off the coast right now, and it is slowly but surely working its way up towards our region, and we're going to be starting to see this wet weather really soon here. As far as current temperatures, we are in the 20s and teens for our east side areas, 17 degrees in Christmas Valley, then a little bit warmer for areas west of the Cascades. We're at 31 degrees here in Medford and right at freezing in Grants Pass. For the day today, we will be seeing those temperatures warming up. It'll be a pretty similar day as far as temperatures to yesterday. We're expecting to see temperatures in the 30s, 35 degrees in Klamath Falls and 31 degrees in Lakeview. And then along the I-5 corridor, temperatures ranging in the 30s and 40s. We'll get up to 45 here in Medford, so just a couple degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday. As far as conditions for the day, definitely some very windy conditions. We're already starting to see those winds picking up along the coast, and we will be seeing those winds working their way up. We're expecting some southerly winds to work their way up and impact mainly Siskiyou County and into the east side areas also. As far as for the night tonight, seeing that wet weather continue, definitely plenty of cloud cover. We could be staying more dry here in Medford, but still seeing some of that snow continue for our east side areas. We'll get down to around 29 degrees in Klamath Falls for the night, 38 here in Medford, and then a little bit warmer along the coast at 42 degrees. As far as stormcast, you can see that by around lunchtime today, we're already going to start to see this really developed storm working its way in, definitely giving some very heavy precipitation. Lots of snow is expected for Siskiyou County, mainly for areas south of I-5 and into Weed. Definitely going to be seeing those very poor driving conditions. And you can see by around Saturday overnight, very heavy rainfall expected for Curry County and for those coastal mountains. We might be seeing some rainfall here in Medford. Definitely some snow expected into Saturday for our east side areas, and then again that very heavy snowfall for Siskiyou County. We could be seeing some areas with snowfall anywhere up from 1 to 2 inches per hour, so we could be even seeing some whiteout conditions also. As far as for what we're predicting as for snowfall, you can see by around 4 a.m. for Sunday we could be seeing anywhere up to 24 inches in the Mount Shasta area. Definitely some pretty heavy snow in Lake of the Woods, up to a foot, and then 12 to 18 inches in Crater Lake. As far as our traveling impacts, you can see those areas south of Weed on I-5 definitely going to be seeing some very poor traveling conditions for at least this morning and into tonight. We might be seeing some better conditions tomorrow morning, but definitely we're going to be seeing those icy roads, very poor visibility, and again those snowplows will be working as hard as they can, but definitely keep an eye on those road conditions. As far as for your 7-day forecast for the coast, you can see temperatures ranging in the 40s and 50s for the week. Definitely some wet weather throughout our weekend, but starting to dry out just a little bit more into next week. And as far as Northern California, we're going to be seeing those very gusty winds. Possibility for those winds to be gusting anywhere up to 45 miles per hour for some areas. And again, those potential whiteout conditions in some of those higher elevation passes. For the Klamath Basin, temperatures in the 30s and 40s for the week. Expecting to see lots of snow for our east side areas for the day today. And of course, those poor driving conditions. For the mountains, we're going to be seeing some cooler overnight lows into the 20s and into the teens. Definitely going to be seeing some widespread snow for today. And here in the Rogue Valley, going to be staying a little bit more dry because we do have some very heavy winds gusting into our region, but we will be seeing some wet weather for today and then more rain coming into our weekend this weekend.